everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil Spaces and welcome to today's tutorial showing you how to sign up or log in to Pencil Spaces with your Facebook account. So the first thing that I'm going to do is enter my.pencilapp.com/account into my browser. Alternatively, you could also just go to pencilspaces.com. Alternatively, you could also just go to pencilspaces.com and then click Try Spaces Now. This will bring you to the exact same page. Once you are on the sign-in page, just click More Options and you will see an option that says Continue with Facebook. So I'm going to click Continue with Facebook, and here I will be prompted to log in. If you are already logged in on the browser you are currently using, you may be automatically signed in already, but if this is not the case, you'll be asked to enter your information. If you have previously logged in to Pencil Spaces with Facebook, you may see this prompt. In this case, just click Continue. If you have not previously signed in to Pencil Spaces with your Facebook account, you may be asked to grant permissions. This is just so that Facebook can use your name and profile picture for your account, as you can see here. Now you are signed in to Pencil Spaces. Keep in mind that if you are logging into Pencil Spaces with your Facebook account, your Facebook must be associated with an email in order to continue. That is because you need an email in order to sign into Pencil Spaces. So if your Facebook account is associated with a phone number instead of an email, you will need to use another sign-in method, such as a Google account, an email, or something else from the list of these options. If you have already signed into Facebook using this browser, and you have used Pencil Spaces with Facebook in the past, this is a one-click process. So as soon as I click Continue with Facebook, I will be logged into my account. That is it for today's tutorial showing you how to log into Pencil Spaces using your Facebook account. If you have any questions or if you run into any issues, you can always reach us by contacting support@pencilspaces.com by email. Once you're in the product, you also have access to 24/7 chat support by clicking the little question mark icon at the top right corner of your space.